No answer from him. Can't you hear, Savio? I don't know what is happening to him. Vaiga, come on.
Ma'am,
Read the sixth one.
how many languages are there in India? About 1,600.
Yes. Akshaj, can you read the next one? Seventh one.
What does official language mean? It is a language used by the government for its work.
Yes.
States choose three
Their
their own official language.
Yes.
Can I read?
Wait, Evelyn. Children, now it is 8, 9, 10 and 11. You know that, isn't it? Eighth one it is which one? Eighth one is Karnataka. Ninth one is Nagaland. 10th one.
Jammu.
11th one is Rajasthan.
Jammu and Kashmir.
Oh, now Evelyn, read the 12th one.
Ma'am, can I read?
12th question.
Why does the state
Staple diet
and clothes change in different regions? The state diet and clothes change in different regions become the
What is it? Ashwati, can you read that same question once again? Yes, Ashwati, read it. Ashwati, read.
Why does the staple diet and clothing change in different regions?
Yes.
Ma'am, can you hear me?
Yes, Ashwati, I can.
Why does the staple diet and clothing change in different regions? The climate and the physical features affect the staple diet and clothing of a region. Therefore, they change in different regions.
Now, Amit, can you read the next? Amit, read 13th one.
What does
What does multilingual
mean? Give one example. A person who can speak on more languages.
How many? 3 or more languages. Is multi?
Good afternoon,
Multilingual, isn't it? Amit, your network, there is a trouble. Agnel, can you read that question? 13th one, dear.
Morning, ma'am.
Morning, everyone. Yes, Agnel, can you read the 13th question? Agnel, can you read a little bit louder? I'm not able to hear you. Come closer to the device, Agnel. And speak. Or where is your mouthpiece? Hold it near. Hold it near. Can't hear, Agnel. Is there any trouble? It's unmute itself. What are you, what is your device? Is it laptop or you can remove the headset and speak? You plug out. Still I cannot hear. Is there somebody to help you? No. Is there somebody to help you, Agnel? No. Oh my God. I cannot hear you. Others, can you hear?
Yes.
What? Agnes?
No.
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Agnel, just ask somebody to help you if there is somebody at home. Okay. Now, who's gonna read? Okay, Ishan, read the 13th one.
Ma'am,
Hmm.
what does multilingual mean?
Hmm.
Give one example.
Hmm.
A person
Hmm.
can speak
Hmm.
three or more languages are multilingual. Example.
Yes, Ishan.
What does a person who can speak
Hmm.
three or more languages?
Hmm.
Example,
Hmm.
Ishanam Deepak
Hmm.
can speak Hindi, English, and Malayalam.
Ha.
Therefore, he is multilingual.
Okay, very good.
Ma'am, page number.
Agnivesh, if I am asking somebody to read, only that person should read. Okay, I don't want you to interfere in between that. Understood, Agnivesh? Nihara, can you read the next question, 14th one?
Ma'am, identify the religion shaded on the map. Write 4 characteristics of religion.
Characteristics.
This is religion.
Characteristics of this region.
Characteristics of this religion. This is religion of Jammu Kashmir for
Characteristics
of religion.
Nihara, it is characteristics. Nihara, it is characteristics. Adat, you will get nicely if you are not muting again. Huh.
Indulate the following. People of this religion speak Kashmir and Urdu.
Kashmiri and Urdu.
Kashmiri and Urdu. Tehran is traditional dresses. The climate of religion is cold. Meat is popular food in this religion.
Region. It is not religion. It is region.
Region.
Sarah, read the 15th question.
Then page number I came.
4th one. 4th page.
I'm in workbook. Workbook 17 question.
15.
Ma'am. That mean in Kerala that Tamil Nadu were Mundu.
15th one. 15. 1-5.
If
Janaki
can speak English and Marathi, and which of the following is true? She is bilingual, she is monolingual, she is trilingual, she is multilingual.
Which one is answer? She is?
No.
I cannot hear what you are telling. Unmute.
Monolingual.
How many languages she is speaking there?
Bilingual.
Bilingual. Yes. Devananda, read the next one, dear. 16th one.
Yes, ma'am. Why do you think that the men in Kerala and Tamil Nadu
Okay?
Verus.
16th one. 16.
Okay.
1 6.
Shrini
Aswan, isn't it?
Aswan
Uh,
lives in
uh,
um,
Karnataka.
Karnataka,
Mm.
but his family
Mm.
lives in other state.
Mm.
His mother makes
Mm.
uh,
Tattu?
sattu,
A popular.
a popular food in that state.
Mm.
He
Likes Tattu.
he likes sattu
Uh,
a lot.
uh,
Which language
do.
do
Mm.
you think his family speaks?
Yeah. Which language?
Oh,
Ow. What is it?
Al.
Oh, yes. Now, Rachel, read the next one, 17th one.
Ma'am,
Hmm.
who do we think that the mean
Men.
men in
Kerala,
Kerala and
Tamil Nadu.
Tamil Nadu
Where?
where
Mundu.
Mundu?
Hmm.
Answer: it is hot and
It is hot and
humid in Kerala and
Tamil Nadu.
The men wear
Mundus
as they do not
stick
the
body
when people
sweat.
sweat.
What do you mean by sweat? While you run and all the water is coming out of your body, isn't it? That is called as sweat, isn't it? While you are standing in a hot sun, you'll be sweating. Yes. Sweat. Agnel. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Huh? How many Agnels are there? Agnel, just unmute. Let me see whether we can hear what you are reading. Say something. Hello. Still I cannot hear, dear. You read anyhow, but you read the same question, 17th one. I can see your movements. Okay, come on. Hmm. 17th question. Now I can. Why do you
think
uh, uh, men
the Kerala and Tamil Nadu were
where? It's not were. It's where. Mundu.
Mundu.
Then
Hot.
it is
It is hot and
humid. What is that word, children?
humid.
Humid.
In Kerala and Tamil Nadu, the men wear
Mundu and as it is not has, it is as, so as these do not stick to the
body when people
people sweat. People sweat. Aishwarya, read the 18th one.
Okay, ma'am.
Hmm.
Ashwini goes on a trip with her parents.
Hmm.
She first goes to a state where she enjoys eating vindaloo.
Hmm.
She ends her trip in a state where most people speak Malayalam.
Hmm.
Identify the states that she visited. What type of climate does she observe?
Hmm.
Describe
Hmm.
during her trip. Ashwini visited Goa and Kerala. She observed hot and
Humid.
humid climate during her trip.
Okay. Now, children, the next questions like people of Mizoram speak the language. Which language do they speak?
Mizo.
Mizoram is speaking which language?
Mizo.
Mizo. And yeah, Mizoram people are speaking the language Mizo. Yes.
Mizo.
Now, it is a language, it is official language of India along with Hindi. Which is the other official language of India? English. Which one? English. Yes. Now, this language is spoken in the state of Punjab.
Punjabi.
Punjabi. People of this state speak Tamil.
Tamil Nadu.
Next one. It means variety or range of different things.
The diversity.
Diversity. What is it, children? Diversity. It means variety of range or different things. That means diversity. Yes. Then it affects the culture of each region along with the physical features. What is it affecting the culture of different? What is it, children? Climate. Yes. Breathe. Can you read the next one?
Yes, ma'am.
It is the
official language of India along with Hindi.
not that, dear. In the down fifth one.
Yes, ma'am. It is the language, food, and clothing of a group of people.
Yeah.
Culture.
Culture. What is it? Culture. It is a language. What makes the culture? Language, food, and clothing together makes a culture. Yes. Next one. People of the state. Yes. Hari, can you read Hari? Hari Govind, can you read the next question?
Yes. People of the state eat
Bakri.
Bakri and Bhati.
Bakri and
Bhati.
Bharat.
Bharat.
What is it? Which country?
Marathi.
Which people? Which state it is?
Maharashtra.
It is Maharashtra, isn't it? What is it? Maharashtra. Now the next lesson. There is only 12 questions for you, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am.
Yes. Read. Amna, can you read the first question of that chapter?
I'm United We Stand Too.
Yes. Where is Amna? Amna, unmute. Amna, unmute.
Yes, ma'am. You will send the link.
Read, dear. First one.
Ma'am, I didn't have my workbook.
Why? Where is
I didn't have my book.
Okay, so I'll read it for everyone. Which of the following tells us more about a community's culture and tradition?
Festivals.
What is it? Festival. Yes. Which of the following days is celebrated as Children's Day?
14
Now, next is different types of festivals, isn't it? One is national and the other is religious. And what is left out?
Harvest.
Yes. Now, music, dance, drama, all together, what we will say? Art. What is the celebration of an event? Celebration. Festival. What do we call a group that follows the same religion?
Religious community.
Yes. Define community. A community is a group of
People who share a common culture or interest.
Yes.
Community is a group of people who share a common culture or interest.
Yes. Now, Republic Day is celebrated on 26th January. True or false?
True.
Baisakhi is a harvest festival celebrated by Malayali people. The first Prime Minister of India was M.K. Gandhi. Onam is celebrated in Rajasthan. Do different communities celebrate New Year's Day by different names? Explain with any
Different communities celebrate New Year's Day by different celebrated by Marathi people. Okay.
Now I'll send the link.
Yes.
Check out.
Okay, ma'am. We can close our book.
You close your book. That is what you will do, no? There is any other questions?
No, ma'am.
You should do it, isn't it? That is your manners to do.
Yes. If we keep the book open, we will copy.
Cheating is not allowed.
Yes. Ma'am, for question.
I sent it in the WhatsApp, in the chat. You just check.
No, he said to read the question.
Oh, read the question. Okay. Okay, the first one. Write your name and class first of all, children. Rajan, have you written the class?
Yes.
And name also?
Yes.
Now, first question, which of the following tells us more about the community's culture and tradition?
Option.
Festivals, occupation, parties, hobbies. Second one, which of the following day is celebrated as Children's Day? 14th April, 13th November, 2nd October, 14th November.
Festival can be.
Third one, festivals can be broadly divided into national, and religious festivals. Harvest, popular, community, and fun.
Dance, drama, and.
Ma'am, can you read the first question one more time?
Who is this?
Maika.
Huh?
Maika,
you don't know to read?
What is the celebration of?
Which of the following tells us more about a community's culture and tradition? Okay, fifth question. What is the celebration of an event called? What is the celebration of? What?
Ma'am,
Yes.
you can send once more the link.
Yes.
can you send link again?
I'm sending.
What do we call a group that follows the same religions?
What is the fifth one? What is the celebration of an event called? Function, festivals, annual day, parties. Sixth one. What do we call a group that follows the same religion? The same religion. Parties.
Of the following language.
Ashwati, mute.
Okay, ma'am.
Dhananjay, please mute.
Ma'am, please. Ma'am, please.
Dhananjay, I'm muted.
Ma'am,
I am
the
sending the
link
link.
didn't get link.
I am sending it again. Check out.
Ma'am.
Those who finished can leave the exam. I mean, you can leave the class, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Now, 7th one, Republic Day is celebrated on 26th January. True or false? Baisakhi is a harvest festival celebrated by Malayali people. True or false? The first Prime Minister of... What? Christina, mute.
Ma'am, can you read the 14th
Ma'am, I don't
question?
get the link.
Ma'am, can you read the 14th question?
Yeah, one second. Ashuti, wait. I'll just go in a order, okay?
Okay.
I finished.
Okay. Now, Onam is celebrated. Sorry. 9th one, the first Prime Minister of India is M.K. Gandhi.
हमें क्यों कीजिए हम चल लिया हमें Ma'am, can you read the 17th question?
I am reaching only till 10th one. I will read. When I'll read, you just sit and hear.
Okay, ma'am.
Onam is celebrated in Rajasthan. True or false? 11th one, which of these languages is used by the majority of people in Maharashtra? Bengali, Bhojpuri, Nepali, Marathi. 12th one, which of these official languages is used by the central government of India? Hindi, Kannada, Telugu, and Tamil Nadu. What is used by central government? 13th one, there are dash official languages in India. How many official languages in India? 14th one, name one language that is not an official language of India. It's not an official language from this one of the non-official language. Got it, Ashwati?
Okay.
Ashwati, you got it?
Yes, ma'am.
15th one, how many languages are there in India? It's about how many language? About? 16th one, people of Mizoram speak this language. Which language does the people of Mizoram speak?
Okay.
17th one, it means variety or a range of things. What do you mean by variety or range of things? Is it climate, diversity, languages, or culture? 18th one, dash is the language.
I finished. I can leave.
Yes. Dash is the language, food, and clothing of a group of people. Together, what we will call language, food, and clothing.
Dhananjay,
What is it?
I am leave.
Yeah, yes, Dhananjay, you can leave. 19th one, dash affects the culture of each region along with the physical features. Is it climate, languages, people, and state? What affects the culture other than physical features? 20th one, it is the official language of India along with Hindi. Which is the official language of India other than Hindi? Completed?
Ma'am, I will leave.
What is it?
Right now.
Those who
Ma'am,
have
I
completed
got
can leave.
19.
Oh, good. Those who have completed can leave.
Can you send once again the link?
Yes, but I'll end the class between that. Okay, you can complete it slowly, Aishwarya. Check the link.
Ma'am, my finish.
Yes, Rachel, you can leave, dear.
Bye, bye.
Bye. Okay, I'm going to end the session. You people, those who have not completed, you can sit and do it. There is enough and more time. Okay. So bye, children. Agnel, you completed?
Ma'am, I can leave. I complete.
Yes. Okay. So I am just ending the session. Okay, dear children. Bye.
Bye, bye.
Bye.
Bye. Those who have not
Bye.
completed, you can do it. It's okay.